Hey everyone! Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. Today, I'm going to help you master some everyday English phrases for beginners. Whether you're at home, out shopping, or just chatting with friends, these expressions will boost your confidence and help you sound more natural when speaking English. So let's dive right in. When you meet someone for the first time, start with a friendly greeting. You can say, "Hello, how are you?" or "Hi, my name is." These introductions are simple but effective for making a great first impression. If someone asks you, "How's it going?" you can respond with, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" This shows that you're engaged in the conversation. When you need to ask for help or directions, it's important to be polite. Begin with phrases like, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Or, "Could you tell me how to get to the train station?" Adding please and thank you makes your request sound even more courteous. If you're not sure how to respond to someone's directions, don't worry. Simply say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that." If you're in a social situation, small talk is key to building relationships. Ask questions like, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or, "Have you been to this place before?" These types of open-ended questions encourage the other person to share more about themselves and keep the conversation going. When it comes to expressing your needs, you can use phrases like, "Can I have?" or "I would like." For example, if you're ordering at a cafe, you might say, "I would like a cup of coffee, please." Or if you're shopping, ask, "Can I try this on?" Or, "Do you have this in a different size?" Being clear and polite will help you get exactly what you need without any confusion. Now, let's talk about expressing preferences. You can say, "I like" or "I prefer" to share what you enjoy. For example, "I like reading books in English," or "I prefer tea over coffee." It's also helpful to know how to talk about dislikes. Use phrases like, "I'm not a fan of," or "I don't really like," to express your opinion in a respectful way. When you're ready to leave a conversation, you can end with, "It was great talking to you," or "Let's catch up again soon." For more casual situations, try saying, "Take care," or "See you later." These phrases show that you appreciate the interaction and leave a positive impression. So let's recap. Practice using these everyday English phrases. "Hello, how are you?" "Can you help me find?" And "I would like a coffee, please." These expressions will help you navigate through various situations confidently and naturally. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Each one is a step towards fluency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more English learning tips and techniques. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and enjoy your English learning journey.